In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions of cause. So the question is, of course, what is a preposition? A preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. So this is the first important thing. Then the second thing. The second word is called complement and allows to specify the time, cause, place, state, manner, purpose, or matter. And keep in mind also that the second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, an adverb, but also a proposition. When we're talking about proposition, we're talking about a sentence. So this lesson is about the prepositions of cause. À cause de. J'ai raté mon train à cause de la grève des bus. J'ai raté mon train à cause de la grève des bus. En raison de. En raison de votre situation précaire, nous avons décidé de vous aider. En raison de votre situation précaire, nous avons décidé de vous aider.